Let's say you're renting a flat, or maybe you own one and have a tenant living there. At some point, you might face questions like, can my landlord just raise the rent suddenly? Can I be asked to move out without notice? Who's responsible if the ceiling starts leaking? That's where understanding the legal rights of both tenants and landlords becomes really important. Because, when both sides know the rules, there's less confusion, fewer disputes, and a lot more peace. Understanding the legal framework. Rental laws operate at 3 levels: federal, state, and local. Federal, Fair Housing Act, bans discrimination based on race, religion, gender, nationality, disability, or family status. State or local laws cover rent control, security deposits, maintenance, eviction, and privacy rights. Rules vary by city or state. Mutual protection ensure fair rights for tenants and legal safeguards for landlords. Landlord responsibilities or tenant rights. Landlord's duties provide safe, livable housing, free from leaks, pests, or hazards. Maintain plumbing, electricity, and heating. Repair issues promptly. Respect tenant privacy, give notice before entry. Tenant's duties: pay rent on time. Keep the property clean and in good condition. Report problems early. Follow lease terms and respect neighbors. Key principle: a healthy landlord-tenant relationship runs on mutual respect, honesty, and clear communication. Rental agreements or notices. Types of leases: fixed term, usually 6 to 12 months. Rent and terms stay constant. Month to month, flexible, either party can end it with short notice, typically 30 days. Written notices: any rent hike or lease termination must be in writing. Notice periods vary by region, generally 30 to 90 days. Illegal clauses: clauses that waive tenant rights, allow entry without notice, impose unfair penalties are invalid by law. Always read carefully and seek legal advice if anything seems unfair. Eviction grounds and procedures: eviction is allowed only for valid reasons like non-payment of rent, lease breach, property damage, illegal use, or owner's need. Landlords must give written notice with reasons and time to vacate or fix the issue. If the tenant doesn't comply, eviction must go through court. Self-help actions like lock changes or power cuts are illegal. Tenants can challenge eviction and, in many areas, cannot be removed without just cause. Security deposits or rent increases: security deposits, usually limited to 1 to 2 months' rent, must be refunded within 14 to 30 days after move-out, minus valid repair costs. Normal wear and tear cannot be deducted. Tenants can request an itemized deduction list and should document the property's condition to avoid disputes. Rent increases, controlled in some areas, often capped, are linked to inflation. Require 30 to 90 days written notice. Cannot be raised as retaliation. In fixed-term leases, rent remains unchanged until renewal. Know your rights, protect your home or investment. Prevention is key. Clear communication, written records, and following procedures help prevent most disputes. Seek help when needed. If issues arise, contact legal aid officers, tenant unions, or landlord associations for guidance and support. Stay informed. Housing laws change often. Keep updated with local rules to ensure fair and lawful dealings. Whether you're a tenant or a landlord, knowing your legal rights isn't just about property, it's about trust, fairness, and peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more such legal insights.